Article 13, Mitigating Circumstances. Paragraph 1. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter, when all the requisites necessary to justify or to exempt from criminal liability in the prescriptive cases are not attendant. Paragraph 2. That the offender is under 18 years of age or over 70 years. In the case of the minor, he shall be proceeded against in accordance within the provisions of Article 80. Paragraph 3. That the offender had no intention to commit so grave offense as that committed. Paragraph 4. That sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately proceeded of his act. Paragraph 5. That the act was committed in the immediate vindication of grave offense to the one committing the felony delito of his spouse, ascendants, or affinity, or relative by affinity within the same degrees. Paragraph 6. That of having acted upon an impulse so powerful as naturally to produce passion and obfuscation. Paragraph 7. That the offender had voluntarily surrendered in the person in authority or his agents, or that he had voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court prior to the presentation of the evidence for the prosecution. Paragraph 8. That the offender had deaf and dumb, blind, or otherwise suffering physical defect which thus restricts his means, actions, defense, communication within the fellow beings. Paragraph 9. Such illness of the offender as whole diminish the exercise of the willpower of the offender without, however, depriving him to the consciousness of his act. Paragraph 10. And finally, any other circumstances of a similar nature or and analogous to those above mentioned.